dear students, welcome to the social science class. How are you all? I hope all are good and fit at home. Today we are going to start chapter 2, Minerals and Natural Resources. Do you know children, what are minerals? Everything which we use to do our work is mineral. You use the nib of your pen to write, that is mineral. You use geometry box, that is mineral. Bicycle, that is also a kind of mineral. In kitchen, many things we see. Most of the dishes are made up of minerals, like tawa on which we roast the chapatis, that is also a mineral. Pressure cooker, fry pan, these all things are made up of minerals. The jewelry what your mother wears, that is also a kind of mineral like gold, silver and diamond. So, let us discuss through some slides. Lesson 2, Minerals and Energy Resources. What are minerals? The substances that we extract from the earth are called minerals. Classification of minerals. There are two kinds of minerals, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Here we see metallic versus non-metallic. Metallic minerals are hard, they are hard to touch, they are shiny. Metallic minerals are good conductor of electricity. Example, iron, copper, gold and silver. See the picture of metallic minerals like gold bars, copper ores, zinc ore, etc. Come to the non-metallic minerals. They are soft, they are dull, they are good insulator of electricity, means electricity does not flow in them. Example, clay, marble, coal, mica. These are the some example of non-metallic minerals. Minerals and their mining areas. Iron ore. Iron ore is found in Karnataka, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Goa. Manganese. Manganese is found in Odisha, Karnataka and Goa. Copper. Copper is found in Rajasthan and Odisha. Bauxite. Bauxite is found in Odisha and Gujarat. Limestone found in Jharkhand and Odisha. Mica found in Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand and Rajasthan. Importance of mineral conservation. Overuse of minerals is harmful for environment. Means we should not use overuse of minerals. We have limited resources, so we should protect them. Energy resources. There are two kinds of energy resources, conventional energy resources and non-conventional energy resources. Conventional energy resources are firewood, coal and petroleum. कन्वेंशनल मीन्स ऐसे रिसोर्सेज जो बहुत जल्द खत्म होने वाले हैं और हम उसको दोबारा नहीं बना सकते. नॉन कन्वेंशनल रिसोर्सेज like solar energy, wind energy and tidal energy. नॉन कन्वेंशनल रिसोर्सेज मीन्स ये रिसोर्सेज कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाले हैं. Coal and petroleum are conventional resources and coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. Do you know what is fossil? Fossil means the remain of living organisms लाखों साल पहले अर्थ की कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ के कारण बहुत सारे प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स अर्थ के नीचे दब गए थे और वहीं पर मर गए थे, फिर सड़ कर बाद में ये फॉसिल फ्यूल में कन्वर्ट हो गए और इस तरह से हमको कोल और पेट्रोल मिला। दैट इज़ वाई वी कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस इट अगेन एज इट इज़ फॉसिल फ्यूल। So dear students, hope you understood this chapter well. Read the chapter twice. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.